Hello, Snowman. My name is Amber. You know, sometimes it gets a little quiet around here. So I was wondering, would you like to be my friend? Oh, wait. I forgot you can't talk.
Amber, come here.
Oh no! Dear Santa, everyone says this is the night when wishes can come true. I don't really want toys or gifts this year. I already made something very special by myself. I know this might sound silly, but I was hoping you could help him speak.
Merry Christmas!
Ho, 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 ho.